Find features that distinguish it from other brands for PowerSmart 3600 watt, gas-powered portable inverter generator, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because power wattage 3600 peak watts and 3200 rated watts, powered by a 149cc gas engine, manually started, gas-powered, generators for home backup emergency use. Versatile power supply. Equipped with 2 AC outlets, 120 volt, 1 USB-A ports, 5 volt, and 1 DC car port, 12 volt, this quiet inverter generator is designed to charge a wide range of devices and outdoor electronics. From laptops to mini coolers and even drones, you'll have the power you need wherever you go. Super quiet. At 23 feet distance, 70 decibels super quiet inverter generator great for emergency home backup power, job site use, tailgate, or camping with your RV. Running for 10 hours at full load with energy saving switch for maximum fuel efficiency. Parallel ready. You can parallel this inverter generator with another unit to double your output power, giving you the flexibility to handle larger loads and appliances. Its 4-stroke OHV single-cylinder engine and forced air cooling system ensure reliable performance. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.